Hello friends. So today we are going to see how I earned $225 in almost 5 or 6 days. So here you can see on the screen, on the Shopify screen, that as you can see my overview, you can see I have done a total sales of $225 with my online store conversions around 188. So you may say that out of every 100 customers, at least 3 to 4% have been converted. So the website conversion ratio is not bad either. So now we will see the average order value, which is around $45. So yeah, this is quite a good average value. Then you can see also other things like how much we are getting from social, how much we are getting for direct. So this Shopify account is not mine, it is for my client, whom I handle my Facebook ads. And so today I will show you a complete breakdown of how I make ads for him. So one time I will do refresh for you so that you know that this is real. Okay. So yeah, you can see the results here, and we will move to the Facebook ads then. Okay, so 225 $24. Okay, so let's jump into the Facebook ads now. You can see we have tested various things like video creative, we have tested story creative, scaling videos, and all this stuff. Now let me put in three quick things which can help you make more money through your Facebook ads. And trust me, these are not very generic things. These are very very specific things, and you may consider this before applying to your campaigns. So let's get started. So as you can see here, so this is ad level. We will go to the ad set level, and I will show you each and every setting that I have done and how can you replicate this. Okay, so yeah, let me come down. And yeah, the budget at the starting was not much. We were just in the testing phase, so the budget was around $5. After that, yeah, you can see here that I have targeted only top three countries: Canada, UK, and United States. And yeah, so yeah, the first optimization is, please try Netflix in your targeting option. Don't have any specific reason for this, but I have observed that whenever I try Netflix on my targeting, it always shows me good results. Not a specific reason behind it, but yeah, you may try and see if it works for you. Okay, then the second thing I have to say to you is that always check this box for detailed targeting option, and always choose these languages for UK or English. If your ad is into English language, please choose these two languages into your languages section under your Facebook ad set levels. Then another thing which I want to tell you is that whenever you choose locations, let me show this to you. Whenever you choose locations, always use people living in these locations. See, this is the second option, people living in these locations. It helps because there are many people traveling around and they post around on Facebook, but they don't live there, so it is not a good option to target them. Now the third optimization and the final optimization that I want to say to you is that choose manual placements. Always when testing, choose manual placements and only choose two things: either the Facebook feed or the Instagram news feed. Don't choose story ads or any other video marketplace or anything other. Just choose newsfeed. That will help you much more. So if you like my content, please subscribe to me and help me grow further. I will be making such more videos once I see some response from you. So thank you and good night whenever you are seeing this video. Thank you.